road test driving lesson. Hi folks, it's Ben here. We're covering road test driving lesson. Here at Pierre Driving School, we do road test driving lesson / mock test. They are the same thing. We do a mock test with you as if we were doing a mirror left, shoulder left, as if we were doing a road test. We go over the thing that the examiner are looking for, making a left turn here, mirror left, shoulder left. The thing that the examiner are looking for when you're doing your driving lesson with them, that's exactly, come on here, right? All right? That's exactly how we do that. So if you want us to cover anything in that nature, with you, it's just as if you were doing a mock test. We'll let you know exactly things that they are for you to do, things that are expected of you to do while you're doing your road test here. Let's make a, so what I need to do here, there's a lot of activities going on ahead. Or can we? Okay. We're going straight across. Okay. Thank you. All right. All right, shoulder right. Yes, while we're moving here, we have to pay attention to the traffic, see what they're doing. Yes, we do the lesson as if we were doing a road test, and it's a mock test. And in the end, we give you honest opinions of things that are for you to be doing as, let's pull over here to the left, mirror left, shoulder left. Good. Yes. Now, we do this as if we were doing a road test with you. Then we call it a mock test here in New York City. So where we cover things that are for you to do as you're doing your road test, all right? So if you wanted to know on what level is your driving skills is, are you road test ready, you can check our website, pierrepauldraiving.com. We can definitely set up for that, and we do that with you. And in the end, we'll let you know what are the weaknesses are and things that to be working on as you're doing a lesson, all right? So we're gonna do a few left and right here as if we were doing the road test. We have a lot of videos in this channel dedicated for that, all right? You can look them up as well. We will show you everything you need to do, and with holding back anything, and from there you and I, we can do improvement to make sure that those things are being met, all right? So if we met first time, I'm Benny with Pierre Driving School. On this channel here, we are all in about driving. So if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. We're gonna pull off here. We're covering road test driving lesson, all right? Mirror right, shoulder right. Okay, pulling off here. As if we were doing a road test, at this, making a right turn here, and a signal to the right. For the purpose of the road test, whatever we do, contrary from going straight, you must signal all of your attention. Signal all of your attention. So this guy keep coming, it's a red light, but hey, can you tell them? Mirror right, shoulder right, make the turn for the purpose of road test. And follow where to the closest lane you turn into. Okay, and continue to drive. For the purpose of the road test, to then keep the right side of the road at all the time on the two-lane road, two-lane street. If it was a one-way street, we would keep to the middle by leaving equal distance on both directions. We're making a right turn at the light. signal the turn, slowing down to lessen the speed, mirror right, shoulder right, and coming in. Okay, with your foot covering the brake, nice and smooth, it ain't a rush. Road test driving lesson. We're doing this lesson as if we're doing the road test and observing the same thing that we're supposed to be observing as we're doing. We call it the mark test, of which we cover here at Pierre Driving School. If you do want to get a mark test, you can check the link in the description below. We can definitely help you and give you everything thereof that we're observing with the honest opinion for us to make the improvement of things that there was. If there's no improvement to be made, you're ready to go. We will also give you the opinions as well. Most of the time, our mark tests becoming on point. Check the link in the description below. PierrePaulDriving.com is the website for you to be checked to check out. Until then, we're going to continue to drive here. All the things are applicable wherever you learn how to drive. As driving is driving, just have to go with the state law, with the guidance of the law, but nothing changes. Whenever you drive, once you know how to drive here, that's the same thing you know how to drive there. The only thing that maybe varies is the rules and regulations. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. We signal the turn, covering the brake. We're leaning to the turn. Mirror right, shoulder right, and let's go with the turn. When you stop, you like to see the tire of the car in front of you touching the ground. Otherwise, you'll be driving too closely. At the light, we're making a right turn. Signal the turn. Mirror right, shoulder right, and go with the turn. As you're doing your road test, there's construction people and everything. You follow the instruction that they're giving you. Signal all your attention and go slow. around those construction people while you're doing your wood test. All right, folks? Because sometimes here in this wood test area, they have those people that are doing construction. We still have to do what we have to do. There you have it, folks. This wood test driving lesson. This has been here with Pierre Paul's driving school. Until then, keep practicing. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.